your school has chosen the Campion ebook platform MyConnect2 to make it easy and secure for your child to access their learning resources. In this video, we will take you through what MyConnect2 does and how to buy digital resources. Using MyConnect2, your child will benefit from one login to all ebooks and digital resources, so no juggling multiple passwords and logins. It's all in one place. Access is integrated with your school's learning management platform for security. And the MyConnect2 platform includes teacher notes and directions, read aloud, bookmarking, search and more. To use MyConnect2, student resources must be bought from Campion. Codes in second-hand books or purchased from other providers mean your child will miss out on accessing resources through MyConnect2, including any notes and extra materials uploaded by the teacher. To buy your child's school resources, including ebooks and digital, head to campion.com.au and tap on Parents Order Here. Follow the prompts to log in and add your child by entering their school email address. If you aren't sure of their school email address, you can search by school. Just be aware that it may take us a bit longer to set up their digital resource in your child's digital bookshelf if we don't receive the correct email. Add the resource list code or tap Request Code on the right-hand side of the screen. Now follow the prompts to select the year level for your student, then select the resources you need by expanding subjects and adding items. Your school resource list may include print books that include ebook codes or ebooks or digital resources that don't come with print books. Follow the prompts to purchase what your child needs. Once you have completed your order, including making payment and receiving the order confirmation screen, your child's ebooks will be delivered directly into their MyConnect2 digital bookshelf, which they access via the school LMS. This is why we want to make sure we have each student's correct email address. Each new student is sent a Welcome to MyConnect email with details on how to connect. If you cannot find the email or link, head to the MyConnect2 school search page, type in your school name to connect. If a student has used MyConnect2 in previous years, this year's ebooks and digital resources are automatically added to their MyConnect2 bookshelf. If you've bought a print book from Campion and your school uses MyConnect2, there is no need to set up a login using the code in the book. We will add the ebook directly into their MyConnect2 bookshelf. If the ebook doesn't arrive in the MyConnect2 bookshelf, the most common reasons are that the child's name doesn't match our records from their school, or we don't have their school email address. If you can't see the ebook after 3 working days, please send an email to digitalhelp@campion.com.au with all student, school and purchase details. Need help? The quickest way to get help is via the MyConnect2 in-app support. Click the talking head in the bottom right of any MyConnect2 screen to open a chat window, or contact Campion on 1300 433 982 or email digitalhelp@campion.com.au. For more help with online ordering, jump into campion.com.au and head to the Parent Hub.